Hi guys, we are on our way to a really fun wheeling event, one we look forward to all year. We're going to the Midwest chapter of NAXJA. They put on an event called Winterfest in Attica, Indiana, and it's at the Badlands Off-Road Park. This is one of our favorite events we go to all year. It's just a ton of fun, great group of guys. We just have so much fun. It's the 25th annual, and this is our 13th year we're going. So we're on our way. If you guys haven't been there, you guys should get there. It's definitely worth the trip, and we hope to see you there. Thanks, guys.
Turn. No?
Alright guys, I'm here with Ben from NAXJA. We're at Winterfest 2025, the 25th anniversary. Iron Rock's 13 years sponsoring the event, and we noticed Ben's got a lot of Iron Rock goodies.
Yep. So what we've got the 3-link in the front, the 4-link coil conversion done up in the rear, all new 6.5-inch coil springs all the way around. Got the new belly skid installed in there to go between the cross members. So everything went on really smooth, really well. Performed amazing out on the trails. It's a big difference over what we had. So it's yeah, definitely well worth it for all the work to put it on and everything. But yeah, it was definitely a game changer.
Yeah, you got the frame stiffeners on there.
Yep. So yeah, got
the
all
ride
that.
Quality improved with that 4-link.
Yes, it was a lot better. Not as harsh as on the bumps and everything. Soaked up everything, flexed real well. So yeah, it was definitely a good investment.
Awesome. And you did the DIY bumper in the rear.
Yep, we got the new bumper on the back as well. So
nice high clearance there.
Yeah, so now I think the next step would be raising the gas tank or something. But yeah, other than that, everything performed really well this weekend. No complaints from it.
Yeah, I think I don't even see any hit marks on that bumper, so that's awesome.
Yeah, it didn't. I don't think we landed on it once this weekend, so that was nice and up and out of the way. So yeah, everything worked really well. And couldn't ask for more out of it.
Well, we appreciate your business, and of course, we appreciate NAXJA and the board of directors, everything you guys do for us. We appreciate you guys.
Yeah, we love having you guys down for us and helping us out and everything. And I said, well, we'll keep doing her. We'll do it again next year.
Sounds good. Thanks, Ben.
Thank you.
Okay, Trey, that was pretty sick. You just made it up that really steep climb. Nice job.
Thank you.
Why don't you tell us a little bit about your ride?
So it's a 95 YJ. Started out as a 2.5 cylinder tub that I bought. It's got a 4.6 liter stroker with an M90 supercharger running on a Holly Terminator. It's got a Kingpin 60 front, Dana 70 rear with a Atlas 4-speed and a Cherokee transmission. Nothing too fancy, just a whole lot of skinny pedal when necessary. It's mostly meant for rock crawling at the Iron Range Off-Road Park up there in Gilbert, Minnesota, right next to the Iron Rock Off-Road guys, and then playing down here and everywhere else I can take it.
Awesome. Dude, it sounds incredible. Derek thought it was a V8.
I thought it was a V8. It sounds sick.
Yeah, I get a lot of comments that it sounds different than any other 4-liter that anybody's heard.
Yeah, I've heard some people say it sounds like a Honda.
Yep, some guys say it sounds like a Honda, and I don't think they're wrong.
But it sounds good, dude, and it works.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, great build.
Thank you.
Thanks. What you gonna do, buddy?
We're just gonna drive up this little waterfall with our Rocklink equipped XJ.
Let's go. The Chuck Wagon. Rocklink equipped MJ here. So smooth. Josh from Iron Rock. Hey, this is our 13th year at NAXJA Winterfest, their 25th anniversary. We're seeing some really cool stuff out here. Unfortunately, Derek's rig's running on 7 out of 8 cylinders, so it's kind of out of commission at the moment. But we're doing some high-speed stuff in the general, having fun there too. We'll see you at dinner. Why'd you make that look so easy?
Sometimes you just get lucky, right? It's the 7 cylinders of fury that made it go so good. That looked like street pressure. Okay, we're on our way back from NAXJA Winterfest. We had an awesome time, a lot of great people, nice banquet they did, a bunch of really awesome prizes for the raffle. We just had a ton of fun. We wheeled 2 days out there. Things went pretty well till the end on the WJ. We were coming out of the quarry, just kind of getting ready to get back to camp and call it for a day, and started to smell a little electrical burning. And coming up the hill, the Jeep stalled. Saw a little smoke rolling out from under the hood, so not sure exactly what's going on, but when we get back, we'll give it some love and figure out what's going on, get it back up and running. But looking forward to next year. Like I said, if you've never been there, you guys need to get down there. It's a fantastic event. We really have a ton of fun every year and look forward to it every year. Super well ran. So thanks for putting it on, guys. Love to see you guys. We'll see you back there next year.
Thanks, NAXJA.